Yeah, I'm going to get a haircut today. I'm a little fresh, but it's good to get a little fresher for the new year because memoir it is. Memoir's going to be lit as. Yeah, so just got done with the haircut. About to go check on my phone right now and wait for my ride to pick me up because I'm not driving today. But yeah, it's fresh. I'm here waiting because nobody ever is on time, so I'm here waiting to get picked up. Got my sim done, and I'm just here chilling. Haircut looks a little fresh. I mean, they sent my hair back about 5 years. My hairline is back about 5 years, but other than that, my face is still giving life, so I really don't give a fuck. But yeah, I'm right here next to the manger. I haven't seen Jesus. I think Jesus went for a haircut as well for the new year and to get clothes. He's not in the manger. He's really not. The only lambs. And I think one of the wise men went with him as well because one of them is not there. So yeah, but I'm just here waiting. We have a boat ride to go to this afternoon on a private ship, so that's going to be lit for Jazzy's birthday. So yeah, you'll get to see that a little later. So yeah, see you later, guys. So today we planning to go to this after work lime cruise kind of thing, which has been popping in St. Lucia for a while. It's like it's on a pirate ship thing, which kind of I have to show you all for you to understand what it is. But yeah, it's on a pirate ship and it's pretty lit. It's like a set fee, and then you get drinks and you get food and stuff like that, and all the old people are there lit as fuck. Like everybody's just lit. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And yeah, I got my haircut or whatever, so I'm fresher than a motherfucker. So yeah, so we're going to go get the tickets right now because this is an always sold out event. So yeah, you have to buy the tickets way before it's time. This is the marina.
Hello.
Open? Yes, please.
Hello.
It's still 50, right?
Yes, it is.
What time does it leave?
6:30.
6:30. All right,
Yeah,
thanks.
but you can board from 6. Huh?
Okay, all right, thanks. So yeah, we just finished and we just got our tickets. And this is the boat behind me. So we're about to be late. It's at 6:30, so we have a little time to get ready or whatever. See you on the boat. It is packed. It is burst ram. Trying to get a parking lot.
If you do not see me on the plane next Friday, let me tell you what's going Everybody sing! secret to tell you. How the secret goes. Fellas, if you want her to do it one more time, say hey! Hey! One more time, baby! One more time, somebody say one more time, somebody say one more time, somebody say one more time! Hey! Look, everybody, look!
14 max, one word there. How good was the party?
A copy. One word we looking for?
One word.
He's gonna take me some.
The party go, let's go. We coming down in the bun.
Go!